In this video, I would like to give you an example of what you will own after watching this course. So in this course, what we're going to do is we're going to step by step have a look at how to build a professional Shopify store. And here you can see one example. And in this course, I will show you how to build this example step by step. And this is not just some kind of store. This is a functional store where people can go and purchase products. So for instance, I focused on so-called puck pillows. And you can see right here that this is a functional online store. Let's say I click on this photo right here and we can see, all right, Christmas puck pillow. I click on add to cart and then I can purchase this product right away. I can purchase it, for instance, via PayPal. So this is a properly functioning online store that generates sales, and I will show you step by step how to build this one. We have different directories up here, for instance, puck pillows, cute puck pillows, fitness puck pillows, for instance, and we can click on all of these and it will show us products. So for instance, these ones right here, they're currently on sale for $19.99. You can purchase them at any given time. You can share them with your friends, for instance, on Facebook right here. I could, buy this product right now. Of course, the sale would then go to me. But up here we have, for instance, our home button. We have the shop button, about us, order tracking, FAQ, contact us. And up here, for instance, we have a checkout. So basically, this is a functional store that you can use in order to generate sales. And I will show you everything you need to know about how to build such a store. So I'm really excited for this course. This course is really a hands-on, very, let's say, practical course that will help you to build your own online store that generates you some very, very good income. So for instance, let's say 5 or 6 figures in the first year. So this is basically it now here for this video. It is just an example of what you could build. You can, of course, build any other store in the world, but the technical aspect is always the same, and that's what I'm going to teach you here in this course. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.